ready to get started with one of our last few sprints. Yay! It can be found in your Starry Night Fluency Practice book, yellow trim, yellow number, page 139. So 13 tens and 9 ones, the digits 1, 3, 9. Again, that is Starry Night. Ooh, remember that's the name of the painting. Yellow trim, yellow number, and it looks just like this. The directions are to write the number of dots. Try to find ways to group the dots to make counting easier. So think about that as you're counting them. So, because remember, you want to get as far as you can in the 1 minute that you have on the clock. So I'm going to go ahead and, put that on the clock. Okay, here we go. So, all that to say, on your mark, get set, go! Ding, 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 ding. The bell might not have chimed, but the words are clear as day. Time's up, which means stop. Stop. We're going to go ahead and check our work to see how we did. Come on. All right, let's go ahead and check this work. We're going to write the number of dots. Yeah, write the number of dots. And so number 1 is 2. 3, 4, 3, 1, 4, 5, 4, 6, 7, 5, 4, 6, 8, 7. Top of column 2, question number 16, 9, 8, 10, 7, 6, 9, 10, 9, 8, 10, 7, 10, 9, 8, 10. That was fun. I liked that. If you'll notice that our total number of dots did not exceed 10. And you'll see in, most of it, we see the groupings of 5 and 5, or 5 and some more. We see how it is written to help us be able to count it more efficiently. But guys, let's go on to the next part. Go! Great job on that sprint. That was a wonderful way for us to get our minds going, get warmed up. So now we're ready to switch into our application problem on page 85, so 8, 10, 5 ones in our blue number, blue trim book, learn book. See the blue? Yes, our learn book with the flower beds. It's page 85. Those digits once more, 8, 5. And it reads, There are 20 students in the class. Well, let me rephrase that. Sorry. I'm adding words that aren't there. I apologize. There are 20 students in class. 9 students put away their backpacks. How many more students still need to put away their backpacks? Okay, we'll check back in just a moment. I want you, well, let me rephrase that. I don't know what it is with my phrasing today. We'll check back in 3 minutes because that's how long you should be working on this independently, and then we'll check it out and see how we did to solve the problem together. So, go ahead. Okay, so for me, for solving this problem, I used the tape diagram strategy because I knew the whole was the 20 students. I knew that 9 had put away their backpacks, notice my labels, and I used subtraction to find the missing part, which told me that 11 more students need to put away their backpacks. Now you could have done this as 20 minus 9 equals 11. You could have said 9 plus blank equals 20. You could have drawn a picture, drawn 20, crossed out 9. There are different ways to have solved this problem. However, all of them should lead you to the answer as 11 more students need to put away their backpack. Okay? All right, so today we are again adding within 100. We are going to be looking at situations where the ones come together to create another group of 10. Because we can't have 13 ones. What does that look like? So if I wrote this as, okay, 8 10s and 13 ones, that's 813. That would be read as 81 10s and 3 ones. And that is not what this picture is. Now, I know that for our purposes, we've been leaving 2 digits in the tens place, but that's only because we're not introducing the hundreds place in first grade. You can't do that in the ones place. Once you get 10, it's a bundle. You group them and you count them as a group of 10 because that's exactly what it is, a group of 10. So in counting this, we see a group of 10 and 3 remaining ones. So there's 3 ones not part of the group, which leaves us with 3 ones in our problem. We have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10, 9 10. This is a group of 10. That funky shape, circle-y shape tells us that is a group of 10. I count this way and I count the 10s. Because if we said 83, that would, because I've solved that a couple times, 8 10s and 3 1s, so what'd you do with these? You ate them? No, you didn't eat them. Now, in solving these today, what we're going to be doing is drawing them stacked on top of each other. We're going to draw them stacked. We're drawing today, and we're drawing them stacked on top of each other. Ooh, let me double check one thing. Let me just double check one thing in my book right quick. But yes, we're definitely drawing them stacked. And while I'm checking that, you go ahead and get your Succeed book ready and be on page 239. Let me double check and make sure I've got all the details correct in my brain. Yes, so we're going to draw pictures today. And in addition to, that's the step I want to check on page 239, 23 10s and 9 1s, 2, 3, 9 are the digits. We're going to solve these 4 problems together by drawing stacked pictures. We then are also going to write a stacked number sentence. We're going to write a stacked number sentence. So we're going to draw a picture and write a stacked number sentence to match. So this one here reads 39 plus 42. Let's draw our picture. We're going to draw each part, and each part contains 10s and 1s. My first part is 39. So 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That is a picture depicting this part. This picture shows this part. I now need to draw the other part. And I'm I'm going to stack them. And as a matter of fact, in order to stack them, watch, I didn't leave enough room here. I need to put a little bit of space between my 10s and 1s. Because if I want to stack them, I don't want 10s in the 1s place. So 10s, 4 10s, we're going to draw 42 now. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 2 1s. So this is my picture showing this part. That is my picture showing this part. My pictures show 39 and 42. 9 1s and 2 1s. Well, let's just think about it. If I had 9 1s, how many more do I need to make a group of 10? Wait, try it again. Watch out. If I had 9 1s, how many more do I need to make a group of 10? See, look, as soon as it pops up, they link up together. I only need 1 more. So let's show that in our picture. Let's show this is 9, 10. We've completed a group of 10. So now when we count it, we are given, so this is how you do it. So underneath it, you're going to write a line. And then for the 1s place, you're going to write the 1 that was left out. And then counting your 10s, you got 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10 in the 10s place. So 39 plus 42 is equal to 81. It equals 80. Oops, dropping things. 81. Now watch. This is what that looks like as a stacked picture, stacked number sentence. So we're going to write this part, 39. We're adding, so write a plus sign, 42. Now watch, this is what happened, okay? When we were adding them, we had 11 1s, correct? In total, there were 11 1s. We can't leave them like this. So we removed 1 over here as a group of 10, and 1 stayed over here as the one that was just sticking out. So this is another group of 10. So 3 10s plus 4 10 plus 1 10. Isn't that what we did here? 3 10s plus 4 10s plus 1 10? Yeah, it's exactly the same thing. So 3 10s plus 4 10s plus 1 10 is 81. So you're going to write to show there were 11 1s, but 11 1s is 10 1. Put that 10 with the 10s by writing it down there. Okay? Kind of, sort of. Let's do another one. Letter B reads 48 plus 36. So let's draw to represent 48. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's draw to represent 36. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have drawn to represent 48 and 36. How many spaces are here? 2. So 8 needs 2 more to make a complete group of 10. Let's just go ahead and group those together. Now, how many 1s remained in the 1s place? How many 1s are left out loose and free once I bundled up a group of 10? Count them. 4. There are 4 1s. Good. Now let's count the 10s. Put 4 10s. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. 4 10s plus 3 10s. 5 10, 6 10, 7 10s, plus 1 more 10 that we found in the ones place is 8 tens, telling us that 48 plus 36 is equal to 84. Now we're going to take the same number sentence and we're going to write it stacked. Stacking them is standard algorithm, which is probably how many of your parents and older siblings and I learned how to do this. So we're not going to go straight here. Absolutely not. That is something you get in 2nd and 3rd grade. We're not doing that right now. I'm introducing it to you. I'm showing you how the numbers and the pictures line up, how the numbers and the pictures go together, how this 1 is not really 1, it is one group of 10. Okay? So let's write the stacked number sentence. So this is 4 tens and 8 ones. 4 tens and 8 ones plus 3 tens and 6 ones. Okay? 8 ones plus 6 ones we found was 14 ones. And in finding 14 ones, we have to move 10 of them to the tens place because they are a group of 10. Because 14 is 10 4. 4 of them stayed loose as ones. 10 of them bundled up and jumped ship. They jumped over to the tens place. So now let's put all of the tens together. 4 tens plus 3 tens plus 1 10 is 8 tens. So 48 plus 36 is equal to 84. 48 plus 36 is equal to 84. Okay? Do another one? Yes, do another one. Okay. This one gives us 31 plus 48. Let's go ahead and draw 31. 10, 20, 30, 1. 48. 110, 210, 310, 410. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, looking at our ones, do we have enough ones to complete a group of 10? 8 ones and 1 1. No, so my ones will stay here. There's 9 of them. And my 10s, 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710. 710. So 31 plus 48 is equal to 79. We don't always complete a group of 10, and that's fine. We're still going to put all the pieces together. We're still going to put all the pieces together. And we're still going to write this as a stacked number sentence. So 3 tens and 1 1 plus 4 tens and 8 ones. Let's see. And when we put those together, we get 9 ones and 7 tens. 9 ones and 7 tens. It's the same thing, only now we're doing it in numbers. There are no additional tens to add because I didn't complete a group of 10 in the ones place. All right, last one. 47 plus 34. 47 plus 34. So writing this out, 110, 210, 310, 410, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's the first part. That is 4 tens and 7 ones. That is the whole first part. The first part broken into pieces as in the tens and the ones. Now we're going to draw the second part as pieces. Those pieces being the tens and the ones. The tens, there are 3 of them. 110, 210, 310. And the ones, there are 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So that's what I'm going to count them right. I'm not going to use what I know about groups of 10 to just jump through. Let's count them. And as soon as we get to tens, you got to scream. You got to do something. You're like, ah! Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! 11. There were 11 ones. And when I got a group, so 11 ones is 10 1. So that, what did I say? still here. This is 4 tens plus 3 tens plus 1 10. So 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10. That's part of the group. Part of the group. 8 10. So that means 47 plus 34 is equal to 81. We are now going to write it as a stacked number sentence. So take this picture and write the number. 4 tens and 7 ones, to which we will add 3 tens and 4 ones. Do these numbers match this picture? No, because it's not 1 1. Look, see? That's how many are left. But when we started, it was 4 ones. Good job, you paid attention. So when we put them together, we found that 7 ones and 4 ones created 11 ones. 11 ones is 10 1. So we're going to just put this 10 with the tens. Put all the tens together. Put all the ones together. So now let's count the tens. 4 10 plus 3 10 plus 1 10 is 8 10. So 47 plus 34 again is still 81. 81. So you see how we are writing to show our numbers? Our numbers match our pictures. Our pictures tell us the same story our numbers do. They're supposed to complement each other. Just like in a book, the pictures and the words go together. In our math, the pictures and the numbers go together. They go together. Everything goes together. Okay, so now that we've practiced a few together, we've experimented with writing them as vertical, up and down, stacked number sentences, I'm ready to send you off into your own. You want to find out what you're about to do? Okay, I'm going to show you what you're about to do. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing on your problem set. You're going to do the same thing on your problem set. You are using pictures. Repeat. You are using pictures. You're using pictures. Yes, yes, yes. You're using pictures, and I would like you to experiment with writing the stacked number sentence, but as you can see in the model, the requirement is the picture, the stacked picture. That's the minimum. The next level is to write the number sentence, not solve with the number sentence, write it. I want you to see them next to each other, just like your pictures and your words are next to each other in a reading book. That's what you're looking at. Now, where do I find this? On page number 87, 810-7 in your Learn book, the blue trim. So after this is done, you work on this in your book. You work on this in your book. That is front and back. Your job is not to complete, but to do your best and work hard, focus for 10 minutes. Not I spent 3 of them in the bathroom, not I had to go get a snack, of work time, not other stuff time, work time, not staring off into space and thinking about it. Maybe thinking about it in space, but not just staring at daydreaming, but actually working on it, because you're going to send this to me. I'm going to want to see this, guys. And today what you're going to do to show evidence of your understanding is after you've worked on that. Now here's the thing of it. This is where you ask for help. This is where you text me or you call me or you get a grown-up or an older sibling or cousin or whomever is with you to help you. This is where you do it by yourself. It doesn't have to be right. It needs to be independent. And this is the very next sheet of paper in your Learn book. So you will complete and send me a picture showing your exit ticket. And it cannot just be the answer. There has to be evidence that you worked it, especially when our task today was to use pictures to solve the problem. But guys, that's all I have for you. I can't wait to see you guys later, and a little bit later. Until then.